When choosing new windows for your home, maintenance is often one of the biggest concerns. Homeowners want something that looks great and performs well without requiring constant upkeep. That's where Awning Windows stand out. For homeowners in Dallas, where heat, dust, and changing weather conditions can take a toll on home features, Awning Windows offer a low-maintenance solution that delivers long-term convenience and comfort. One of the main reasons awning windows are so easy to maintain is their simple design. Hinged at the top and opening outward, they have fewer moving parts compared to other window styles. This reduces the likelihood of mechanical issues and makes them easier to operate over time. With less wear and tear on components, homeowners can enjoy reliable performance without frequent repairs. Another advantage is the durability of modern materials used in awning windows. Today's windows are often made with high-quality vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum frames that resist warping, cracking, and fading. In Dallas, where intense sunlight and heat are common, these materials hold up well against the elements. Unlike older wood frames that may require repainting or sealing, these modern options maintain their appearance with minimal effort. Cleaning awning windows is also straightforward. Because of their design, many models allow for easy access to both the interior and exterior glass. This makes routine cleaning quick and simple, helping you keep your windows clear and looking their best. Regular cleaning with mild products is usually all that's needed, no special treatments or complicated maintenance routines required. Another low-maintenance benefit is their resistance to moisture-related issues. In climates like Dallas, where occasional humidity and rain can affect building materials, awning windows perform well thanks to their outward opening design. When closed, they create a tight seal that prevents water from seeping in. This reduces the risk of mold, mildew, or water damage around the window frame, saving homeowners from costly repairs. Energy efficiency also contributes to their low-maintenance appeal. Awning windows are designed to close tightly, which helps prevent air leaks and drafts. This means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Over time, this reduces strain on your HVAC system and lowers energy costs, an added benefit that requires no extra effort on your part. Another feature that makes awning windows easy to maintain is their ability to keep out debris. Because they open outward from the top, they act as a shield against falling leaves, dust, and rain. This helps keep your home cleaner and reduces the amount of dirt that enters through open windows. For Dallas homeowners dealing with dust and seasonal debris, this can make a noticeable difference. Hardware longevity is another important factor. Awning windows typically use a crank mechanism that is built for durability. With proper installation and occasional basic care, these components can last for many years without needing replacement. This reliability adds to the overall convenience of owning awning windows. In addition to being easy to care for, awning windows also maintain their appearance over time. Their clean, modern design and durable finishes resist fading and discoloration, even with constant exposure to sunlight. This means your windows continue to look new and attractive without the need for frequent touch-ups or refinishing. Another benefit is the reduced need for repairs. Because awning windows are built to withstand various weather conditions, they are less likely to develop issues such as leaks or misalignment. This reliability gives homeowners peace of mind, knowing their windows will continue to perform well without constant attention. Finally, professional installation plays a key role in ensuring low maintenance. Properly installed awning windows fit securely within the frame, preventing gaps and ensuring long-term performance. When installed correctly, they require very little upkeep beyond occasional cleaning and simple inspections. In the end, awning windows offer a practical, low-maintenance solution for homeowners in Dallas. With their durable materials, easy operation, and resistance to common issues like drafts and moisture, they provide long-lasting performance with minimal effort. For anyone looking to upgrade their windows without adding extra maintenance tasks, awning windows are a smart and convenient choice.